Welcome back to another episode, everybody. It is pitch black out. It is currently 2:41 in the morning. That's never gonna work. 2:41 in the morning, and we're going to Lake Michigan. Pete's buddy Doug is letting Pete and myself come along with him. We are going out with Austin Rogotsky. He owns the Mini Tank. What other video? I don't know. He filmed some other videos with him. Comes ice fishing with us all the time. And yeah, we're now over to Lake Michigan. See if we cannot catch yourselves a few salmon. If you haven't hit that subscribe button down below, please and thank you. Follow me on Instagram. And I'm gonna say this now: if you have not, or if you want to at least go check them out, Fish Boys Custom Ice Rods is linked down below. If you want to order one, now's the time to do it. We are slowly coming up on ice season. It's gonna be here before you know it, and you're gonna be like, crap, should have ordered a custom ice rod. So yeah, now's the time before it gets just absolutely jam-packed, and it takes a little longer to get your rod than what it would to get it right now. PC Fun Reel, link down below. Fish Boys Custom Ice Rods, link down below. My Instagram, link down below. And yeah, I am going to head over to pick up Pete, and we're gonna head over to Lake Michigan. I get the drone along. We're gonna see what happens. Hopefully we can catch some salmon. Stay tuned. Let's get into the video.
We did the fish in the net, right where the board is, that lead ball. You can be real conscious of where your rod is once you net the fish, because if that lead ball hits someone in the face, it really sucks.
That is a big shit.
You want me to take the board off or the
So the
ball?
board I'm going to leave right on. If you want to scoop again, I'm going to hand line once you get to lead it.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah.
Nice. There. Stepping back a little bit. Pull them to your right. There you go.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Look at that king. Woo!
This is fighting more like a big brown trout.
That would be cool.
His breaks are good.
On the dot.
Down like a walleye,
Have you ever caught any How many walleyes have you caught?
Yeah, I'm gonna scoop this guy. He's gonna do something stupid at the boat, I know it. When they stay deep like this, they're gonna do something dumb, like try and get around the
last time I stopped down, big jumping spit.
Come right up to the edge for me.
These guys really just like trying to deal with us. They're checking you out.
I wonder if they could get any closer.
They're starting to go left now. A little bit at least. This one is staying down.
I'm not talking to you.
What?
You got a tail from that other boat.
Big brown trout, yep. I call it.
Oh wow. Oh god.
Real big brown. Take her to ice.
He is a hot.
I knew the way it was fighting. I'm like, that's a big brown.
We're backing around even more.
It's a really nice brown.
Big old brown.
It's a pretty one too.
Is this a native? Get him, man. Get him. Is a native brown?
We gotta look at the
smallies. They get their head down and they won't come up.
Are these a native, the brown or not?
Nope, they're stocked. Okay, there you go. I want you actually to your on the right again.
Keep that
There you go.
showing away.
So drop the rod and reel fast. Drop the rod slowly, real fast. Okay, now very slowly lift down.
So it's starting to come up to the
Now
top.
reel as you drop the rod.
Oh wow.
Drop the reel. Or harder. Keep it up high, start walking backwards. Go, 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 go.
Heck yeah! Look at that brown trout.
That's a big brown.
That is beautiful.
Look at that.
Oh, it popped out already. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Oh, he is not a monster. Oh, he is not a... Well, more the size of a perch, if anything. Holy cow.
Oh, those are good eaters. I love these guys. You cut the heads off and just gut it, and you cook it like a brook trout. They're so freaking good. So that's a 1-year-old. So they go from this to that 4 years.